Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Riddle bubble for the store visiting event in Heartopia for week 3. Okay, this is the Riddle for the week 3 guys, and I'm going to show you where you can find the Riddle bubble for this fashion recommender. You will get the new bricks emote, and the location is near the Dorothy store. You can go to Dorothy store and you will find the Riddle bubble right here. You just need to pop the bubble and then you will get the new bricks emote. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Riddle bubble location, the fashion recommender in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!